Hi, and congratulations on your purchase of a Canva template from Minimalist Paper Company. These are resume templates designed to be used in the free version of Canva. Canva is a software that to some degree is free. However, you do at some point need a Canva Pro membership to have access to certain things. But Canva still is the best place to organize things like this, to make them look great, to be able to adjust it and make it look the way you want. So let's dive in on how to do this. This first, you're going to see this is a one-page resume design. This one is ATS friendly, and the reason we say that is because it uses basic fonts. There are no graphics, there's no pictures, there's no backgrounds. Elements like that can confuse an ATS software. If AI is running through your resume, the more complicated you make your resume, the more likely that AI might not be able to read it. So these are made to be very, very simple. So here when you come into Canva, you'll notice if we check this font right here, this is a very common font. You will see that you don't see a crown next to the font. If you're using it and you see a crown like on this one, that means it is not free in the free version of Canva. However, if there's no crown, you should be able to use that just fine. Here you'll want to edit your name. I like to put the title you're applying for here. That can help you with some keyword search on an ATS, if it's ATS is running through your resume. Here you're going to put basic contact information, your education, your skills. If you're pretty far from your education, if you're well into your career, you may want to, eliminate, not eliminate education, but put education on the bottom, move skills a little higher up. I really love these summaries. These are professional summaries meant to tell them who you are. In there, make sure that you're searching your job listing and making note of keywords they use. If you were applying for, technology sales, that those words are in there, that any keywords, if they're certifications, things like that, that you are including in here. Next up, you're going to come down to each position and type in that information. One of the best things about Canva, and the reason I like it for resumes, is because as you come in here and type, obviously things are going to get knocked off kilter. Like you're going to accidentally pull something over. Canva has a great number of built-in guides. Then they also have a tidy up function. So for instance, if you type this part in and maybe you've made the top very long and the other two are not, and you just need to straighten everything out, go here and hit space evenly and hit tidy up. And it will kind of space everything out for you, make it look very neat. You can do that with all of these elements if you wanted to do that, just to make sure that everything's lined up the way it needs to be. You can do that, and then you can still make adjustments as you want. Next up here, we have the cover letter. These are obviously all different text boxes. There's one right here I put in for a signature. You can obviously change that to however you want to. Change your contact information. And here you can just write your cover letter. And next up is professional references. Again, you'll just edit those. That's a single text box. Another thing you can do here, if you wanted to change this font, let's say you wanted to change it to Montserrat, a great thing that will happen is down here, there will be a change all function, a button that will come up, and you can actually change all of the fonts with one click. You don't have to go through and highlight each text box. Same thing for colors. If you were wanting to change a color within it, you can do that. You also have an undo button right here. Once your resume is ready to go, right here you're going to click share. You're going to hit download, and you're going to want to download it as a PDF for printing or a PDF standard. PDF standard is generally what you're going to do. If you want to put all of this into one PDF, you can do that. But if you want to separate them out, you could go here, just select that I just want page 1 as one PDF, and it's going to be named whatever's named up here. Okay.